This is the homework for 847, 49, 55, A, B, and C. In problem 847A, you need to rewrite the expression in simpler form using exponents. So we have 4 times 4, which simplifies to 4 squared. 5 times 5 times 5 is 5 to the third. The base represents the 4, and you have 2 4s, so your exponent's going to be 2. 4 times 4 is 4 to the second. 5 3s. 5 is your base, and you have 3 of them. It's the product of those 3, which is 5 to the third power. In B, we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So base is 3 to the 5th power. Y times y. Y is the base to the 2nd power. In problem C, you have 6x multiplied by 6x multiplied by 6x multiplied by 6x. So you have them in parentheses. So this is a group, 6 multiplied by x. So you're going to put 6x in parentheses to the 4th power. You have 4 groups of these. So 6x to the 4th power. It's not 6x to the 4th power without the parentheses, because that exponent is only applying to this x term here and not 6x. That would look like this. 6 multiplied by x times x times x times x. You have 4 x's, x to the 4th power. These two are different. Do not get it confused. If it's in parentheses, it's applying to everything in the parentheses. So it's 6x 4 times. So it's 6x to the 4th power. In problem 849, you needed to graph the following coordinates: 1, 1, 4, 1, and 3, 4. I labeled it A, B, and C, so triangle ABC. And then I needed to translate these 3 points 3 units to the right. So I'll start with B. 1, 2, 3 units to the right, and 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. So there's B prime. 3 units to the right, 3 units up. And I would do that for all the points. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3 units to the 3 units up. In problem 855, you need to simplify each expression. 6 to the 5th power in expanded form is 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6s. And you just put in the calculator 6 multiplied by 6, and then multiply that by 6, and so forth, and you get 7,776. For problem B, again, you have to remember, if it's in parentheses, the exponent's going to apply to everything in that parenthesis. So we have 2 to the 3rd power in parentheses. So it's 2/3 multiplied by 2/3 multiplied by 2/3. It's 3 times. Or you could do 2 to the 3rd power and then apply it to the denominator, 3 to the 3rd power. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. In problem C, you need to remember to use order of operations, GEMDAS, grouping, exponents, multiplication and division, left to right, addition and subtraction, left to right. So for this problem, inside the parentheses, I have like terms. I can combine these. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have 5 to the 4th power. Always follow order of operations. And 5 to the 4th power equals 625.